Alrighty, so we're gonna go into this Christmas drawing of Among Us. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, gonna go right here and kind of do a wiggly line, just wiggly, right? Wiggly around. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna aim that upward on this side, wiggly it up. Gonna go over here, wiggle it all the way up here. And now, what am I gonna do across here? Can you say it before I say it? Say it out loud. Wiggle it over here. It's probably the last wiggle, to be honest. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw a curve right here on this side. Go over here on this side. Curve on this side, and then down here I'm gonna actually connect this with a slight curve. We don't want like a circle or anything like that. We want it to look like a bulbous kind of thing going on there. And one second, blow my nose. Sorry guys, I'm sick doing this. Forgive me. All right, let's do it. Go over here and I'm gonna pull that down right here. I'm gonna go here on this side and I'm gonna pull this down over here. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way. Whoops, we gotta go lower. Don't forget to hit the like if you like Among Us. If you like Among Us, you like the way I'm teaching here, please hit that like. It is really important. It is like amazing. It's awesome. High five me. High five me through the screen. Curve over here for the bottom of the foot. Curve over here for the bottom of the foot. I'm gonna go up. Line over here, in. And then curve up here, right there. It's a little bit of overlapping right there, okay? So far so good. Hopefully you're following me. Very simple stuff, right? Very easy. We're going to put a Twinkie on his back. It's going to be like a Twinkie shape. It's going to pull out over here. And it's going to pull out over here about yay waist level. Right? We got it? Are we good so far? Okay. Going to go over here and I'm going to curve this. Pull down. And at the very end, we're going to curve it in here. It's almost like plugging in something, right? Very, very simple. Everything fits together. Neat. Everything's in its place. I'm going to go over here on this side. Well, not yet. We're going to go over here. We're going to make I would say the curve underneath, like a similar shape. And we want this to look like a reflective surface. So wiggle right here. All right, and then we'll go over here on this side, wiggle over here. All right, pretty cool so far. What I want to do over here with this bottom part, this bottom reflection, I'm going to make that line a little bit thicker, and I'm going to fill that in. That's a good way to do a reflection, right? This kind of abstract kind of look. And then same thing goes over here on this side. Right there. Whoops, a little bit more. All right, there's a lot of cool things in the description, so keep that in mind. And the first comment of this, I'll pin my comment with something. And there's a lot of resources for you to learn. One thing would be to learn from other playlists right here. You can learn very, very quickly. A lot of cool stuff really rapidly because everything here is short. Everything's about 8 minutes long at most. So go take advantage of that. Look at the description. There's a lot of free stuff I give out. So go look at that stuff, okay? It's very, very important for you if you want to like really memorize this stuff and be able to draw it from your mind. So anyways, look into that, into the comments. I'll put something in the top comment and go look at the description, okay? We also sell stickers. All the stickers we're soft opening. We're not meaning we haven't made an announcement and opened the store, but I'm putting some stickers for sale and see if you like them. You know, they're mixtures of properties. There's 3 on there right now. It's a soft opening, like I said. There's no announcement, but I'm going to put the link in the description. Going to go over here, pull up. Top of that Santa hat kind of thing going on. Curve in just a bit. Going to pull up over here at an angle. Over there. And curve around here, right? There's a bunching of cloth going on over here in this area as the Santa hat is kind of falling off his shoulders, okay? Gonna go over here and we want to fold, so we're gonna curve in right there and then pull back, kind of like a check mark. Line over here, pulling in, out a bit. And now behind his backpack, we're going to put the little ball of the, the little ball right here of the hat. Line down over here. We're going to fill that out as well. Whew. Line around the corner here. All right. Okay, pretty good so far. So let's draw something a little bit. Let's put something a little bit more Christmassy on him. So I'm going to give him an ugly sweater. Line over here across. Line over here for the bottom. And let's give him an ugly Christmas sweater. Okay, so let me draw like a line over here. That'll be the top of the sweater. So we're going to draw, what would be in an ugly sweater? Okay, we're going to draw a tree. Christmas tree shape. Pulling across. Up over here. Kind of seesawing back to that area. Circle, circle, circle. And now I'm going to like wiggle around here. Wiggle right there. Wiggle. Wiggle right there. Alright, to kind of give that the illusion of like a design of like a Christmas sweater design. And then we can maybe throw like a line here. And then line down over here like it's the crinkling of the sweater. Same thing over here in this area, right? So the best thing you can do as a thank you for this video is two things. Number one, you can go to my Amazon wish list if you want to tip me. If you think, hey, I did a really good job at teaching this, go to my Amazon wish list is over there. You can always get something from there. Everything is art related. It all goes back to the channel regardless, but it's just stuff I need. And then, or you can share the video. That's totally free. Just share the video anywhere. Share it on Facebook. Share it wherever you like. It's going to be an awesome experience, and it helps the channel out, helps the community grow, and yeah. Thank you so much. What I want you to do now is I want you to stay with me, and we're going to do another video together, okay? Let's get started, okay? We're going to do another video together. It's just another 8 minutes, not like 5 minutes. Let's just do it, right? Let's get started, and just stay with me. The more you do this, the better you'll get. Let's get started right now. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.